Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Papers, Please mobile. Your primary duty is to serve as an immigration inspector at the border checkpoint of Arstotzka. Each day, you'll be presented with a queue of individuals seeking entry. Your task is to meticulously review their documents, comparing photos, checking dates, and verifying information against the ever-changing rulebook. Make sure to follow all protocols to ensure the security of the nation and earn your daily pay. Verifying documents is crucial. Always start by comparing the applicant's face to their passport photo. Any mismatch is a red flag. Next, meticulously check all dates, especially expiration dates on passports and entry permits. Don't forget to consult your rulebook, which updates daily with new requirements and restrictions. This guide is your best friend for spotting inconsistencies and ensuring compliance with Arstotzkan law. When you find discrepancies, you have the power to interrogate applicants. Ask about missing documents or conflicting information to gather more details. If you suspect forgery or a security risk, you can detain the individual. Ultimately, your decision to approve or deny entry directly impacts both the applicant's fate and your own daily earnings. Make your choices wisely, as mistakes can have serious consequences. Your performance directly affects your family's well-being. For every correctly processed applicant, you earn credits. At the end of each day, you must manage these earnings to cover essential expenses like rent, food, and heating for your family. As you progress, you can unlock valuable upgrades, such as a faster stamp or a more efficient desk layout, to help you process more people and maximize your income.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.